Welcome friends. Why Indian judiciary is losing respect and honor it used to enjoy long back. Indian judicial system is overburdened with nearly 5 crore 40 lakh pending cases. It means nearly 5.4 crore families are suffering. If we assume 4 people in a family, around 22 crore people are suffering because of inefficient judicial system. In other words, every 7th person is suffering. With a low judge population ratio, long trial delays, poor infrastructure, and lack of accountability, ordinary citizens often find justice inaccessible. Wisdom with TCSR presents a roadmap of judicial reforms in India to make justice speedy, transparent, accountable, and citizen-friendly. Let us first understand major challenges in Indian judicial system. First is huge case pendency. Over 5.38 crore cases stuck in the courts. More than 80,000 cases are pending in Supreme Court only. Second, government as the largest litigation is responsible for more than 60% of cases. Third, judicial vacancies are also responsible. 30 to 40% of sanctioned posts are vacant in our judicial system. Fourth is long court vacations. They are also creating huge case pendency. There are summer vacations for about 7 weeks, winter vacation called Christmas vacation, Dussehra break also for a week, Diwali break for a week, public holidays. There are only 190 days of working in Supreme Court. Poor judge population ratio is also responsible. We have only 21 judges per million population. UN recommends 50 plus judges per million population, but we have only 21. There are delays in court procedures, endless adjournments, and outdated practices. You must be knowing that most of the time judges give next hearing dates even without case hearing. Thousands of cases are older than 30 years. We have infrastructure gaps, lack of modern courtrooms, e-filing, and digitization. Eighth reason is transparency in judicial appointments and accountability remain opaque. Most Supreme Court judges belong to only 50 plus families. To be precise, around 55 families. Alternative dispute resolution mechanisms are underutilized. High cost of litigation. Poor and rural citizens face barriers in access to justice. Common people cannot afford advocate fee and other expenses. If they have to approach High Court or Supreme Court, forget it. What are recommendations for judicial reforms? First recommendation is reform judicial appointment and promotions. Create an All India Judicial Services AIJS. All judicial appointments must be through AIJS, a UPSC-like exam. All judicial promotions should be linked to their performance, that is measured on the basis of time-bound judgments delivered and percentage of judgments reversed by higher courts. Increase judge strength. Raise judge population ratio to 50 per million in next 2 to 3 years. Fill any upcoming vacancy within 6 months of arising. Third reform, case and court management. No more than 2 adjournments per case. Introduce case flow management rules. Appoint court managers in every district court. Strict monitoring of old cases like 10 plus years which are pending must be heard day-to-day basis. Now thirdly, we should reform criminal justice system. Expand plea bargaining to reduce pendency. Time-bound trials for rape and heinous crimes, they must be disposed in 6 months. All other cases must be disposed in 3 years. Victims' right to compensation and participation should be there. Independent prosecution agency should be formed. Now, fourth reform is regarding judicial accountability and transparency. Establish a National Judicial Oversight Commission. Judges to file annual asset declaration publicly available. Remove collegium system immediately. and follow commission model for any appointments. Judicial performance audits must be done every 5 years. All corruption cases against judges must be completed within 6 months, and hardest punishment must be given to corrupt judges. This is very crucial for cleaning our judicial system. Fifth reform regarding technology and e-courts. Make e-filing mandatory in 2 years. Launch virtual courts for petty cases and traffic fines, etc. Use AI tools for case listing, priority management, and translation. Digitize all courts records within 2 years. Sixth reform, alternative dispute resolution mechanism. Pre-litigation mediation must be compulsory in civil and commercial disputes. Strengthen Lok Adalats and community mediation centers. State-level arbitration hubs for business disputes will help reduce such cases. Seventh reform should be regarding judicial government litigation. National litigation policy must be framed to stop frivolous appeals. Establish litigation units in each ministry. Impose penalties for unnecessary appeals. Eighth reform should be regarding judicial infrastructure development. Double the number of courtrooms in next 2 to 3 years. Create special courts for women, children, and commerce. Increase judiciary budgets to 2% of our GDP. Make legal aid kiosks in every district court. Ninth reform should be regarding grassroots justice access. Revive Gram Panchayats and mobile courts. Conduct hearing in local languages. Village level legal awareness campaigns must be run. And the final judicial reform which we suggest is regarding judicial training and skill upgradation. We demand refresher training every 5 years for judges. Judicial academies in every state. Training on technology, gender sensitivity, and best global practices. Our roadmap for implementation of these reforms is fill all judicial vacancies, implement e-filing and digitized litigation policy, AIJS, oversight commission, pre-litigation mediation, full digitization, grassroots justice, 50 judges per million population. These are our key demands. Friends, judicial reforms are not optional. They are the foundation of true democracy. Without timely justice, citizens lose trust in the system. We emphasize a technology-driven, transparent, time-bound, and citizen-centric judiciary for India's future. Now let's also discuss few FAQs regarding judicial reforms. First, why are judicial reforms needed in India? They are needed to reduce pendency, improve efficiency, and restore public trust in courts. Second is, what is AIJS? The All India Judicial Service is a proposed national level exam to recruit judges directly, ensuring merit-based and uniform selection. Third, how can e-courts help citizens? E-courts enable online filing, case tracking, and virtual hearing, reducing costs and saving time. Fourth, how will pendency be reduced? Pendency will be reduced by filling vacancies, limiting adjournments, adopting ADR, and using AI for case management. Friends, if you feel we are raising right issues, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment any other topic on which you would like me to make another video. To support us, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.